family driver, welcome to another video. Today I will be changing oil and filters in my car. It is almost exactly 1 year since I bought it, so the oil was changed 6,500 miles ago. I think with the usage it had, it deserves new oil. I feel comfortable with changing it every sort of 6,000 miles. So it's about time to do it, especially that next week I will be attending a dyno day. So the car will go on the dyno just to really get an idea if it's healthy, if it gives healthy numbers. So I thought it's a perfect moment to change oil, change filters, give it the best chance to perform to its best. So I'm waiting for the car to warm up and then I'm gonna get under and drain the oil. So let's begin. First step, open the oil cap to let air in. This will help massively to drain your oil quicker. Then we have to remove 17mm bolt from the bottom of the oil pan to drain the oil. Your engine holds about 6.5 liters of oil, so make sure that the container you're using to catch the oil is big enough. Next, you will need this special cap to unscrew the filter. You can buy it on eBay or Amazon or in your local shop for probably around 10 to 15 quid. It's a good investment. It's the same across all BMWs, so it will serve you for years. Next, we lift the filter up and make sure you've got some paper to not spill the oil anywhere. And here's the new filter with all seals required and a crash washer, which we will use later on. Remove 2 seals from the oil cap. Before you install new seals, make sure you take a drip of oil and you oil them. Now it's time to get rid of the remaining oil from the filter housing. I simply use some paper towels. It takes a couple of minutes, however it works really well. Next, push the filter back in. You need to actually hear a click, so make sure you push it hard enough so it happens. Next, reinstall the filter and torque it to 25 Nm. Just a few more minutes and the oil will stop dripping. It would be much quicker if the temperature outside wouldn't be about 3 degrees on the day. Next, we have to change that crash washer I mentioned before. So basically each time you change your oil, you install a new crash washer, as each time you actually torque it, it's being crushed to seal it correctly and it shouldn't really be reused. Put the bolt back in and torque it to 25 Nm. Now you can fill in your engine with a brand new oil. Your engine requires 6.5 liters of oil, so make sure you give it the right amount. In terms of which oil to use, I used original BMW 0W30, which is recommended for this engine. And that's oil and oil filter done. Now let's proceed to the air filter. Unfortunately in M2 they're bracing it in a way, so you have to remove it before you can change your filter. Luckily it is very easy and I will show you how to do it now. You have to remove the 4 bolts, but make sure you will screw them back in the same places, as one of them is different to another one, which you will see in a moment. If you have BMW M135i or maybe 3 Series, you won't have that bracing, so the process will be even easier for you. There are 4 clips holding airbox together, so you have to simply unclip them and then you can lift it up. You actually don't have to disconnect anything, but I did it because I didn't know if it will be required. As you can see, after 6 months there's quite a lot of dust and dirt in there, so I think it was a good call to change it now. Simply just slide the filter back in and you can clip it back together. And here are the 4 clips, so you can see it better. It's time to reinstall the brace. You should torque it back to 28 Nm. So it's all done. It wasn't very difficult, especially the filter. It only took me about 5 minutes to do it. So I really encourage everyone to do it yourself, you know, do it more often. Don't wait until your next BMW service. Do it more often and I'm sure your car will appreciate it. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you found it useful. I'll see you in the next one. Please remember, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel and I see you shortly. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Do widzenia.